The Ajaazz AK820 AK820 Pro gaming mechanical keyboard is a high-performance keyboard engineered for gamers, content creators, and productivity enthusiasts. It features triple-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Type-C wired, making it highly versatile for both desktop and mobile use. The hot swappable switch design allows users to easily replace mechanical switches without soldering, providing full customization for typing feel and sound. Built with a gasket-mounted structure, it offers a soft, cushioned keystroke and improved acoustic feedback, enhancing both comfort and durability. The keyboard also includes a multifunctional rotary knob for intuitive control of volume, lighting, or media. With its sleek design, RGB backlighting, and robust build, it brings premium features at an unbeatable price. Originally priced at $74 United States dollars and 90 cents, it's now available for only USD 16.96, offering a huge 77% discounter. Perfect deal for anyone looking to upgrade their setup without breaking the bank. Link in description.